Hi everyone. I decided to make this tutorial to help people like me who, for whatever reason, somehow, bought a Huawei Band 6 smart band. Uh, this one. So, what happened for me was I really wanted some premium skins, some nice looking skins instead of default ones, and the problem is you can get them on Huawei Health App, but they paid and they cost, like, the good ones cost a lot. So this tutorial is dedicated to allow you to get additional custom watches from custom places. People are making these skins, and if you don't want to pay for them and you can't find anything good in the free category, I will explain how to get the cool ones like this. This one is like really similar to the paid one, and the paid one is cost like €2. I don't know, like, I don't want to pay for watch faces that much because at the moment I'm a student. I can't really afford it, to be honest. So the tutorial will start from you need to download the modified Huawei Health App first, and I will show you step by step on my phone how to do it. Right, so first of all you need to open the modified Health App, which is here. I already have it installed and it's the modified version. You need to click this one and just ignore this error, it doesn't mean anything. Once you have all of this done, you need to connect your device here. You do it like you normally do with your normal app. Basically, you need to have this device linked. It's all normal steps. You just follow the steps like you do in the Health App. I'm not going to show it. And once you have the app installed, you go to Watch Faces, right? And in the Watch Faces, I have this, on the modified version, you have this additional thing which is Add Watch Faces. And now I will tell you, if you follow the link that is also in the description to the folder on Google Drive with a lot of watch faces, you will find many different faces, and all of them are ending up with HWT extension. And if you just do as I do right now and just have this clock watch installed, downloaded, you want to install it as I did. So how I did it, I will show again. I went to the watch faces, to add watch face, and if you just do as it is right now and you click on one of them, you're gonna get this unsupported file format thing, which is annoying, right? And I actually wasted 2 days trying to understand what is wrong with this, and I saw that I can't even upload custom face watch faces on my Huawei Band 6. I saw it's only for Honor Band 6, which is not true. You can also have the custom faces on the Huawei Band 6, not necessarily on Honor 6, but it works for Honor 6 too, by the way. So what do? You do add watch faces. You need to click here, and you need to use third-party file explorer. In my case, I went to Play Store and I downloaded this app, Solid Explorer. You can see it, Solid Explorer. Well, there's many more, but I tested with this one and it worked. And there's my selfies, but you find the watch faces, the ones that you want to have. There's many, right? You see that. So all of them are downloaded, so I will install the one I don't have, Apple Watch. You know what's a HVT format. You click it, install this watch face, install, yes, installing. Doesn't take too long. And now in mine, I do have, of course the names are messed up in the skin because it's custom made, but I will show how it looks like now. So this is the recently installed skin. That's the one I just installed via modified Huawei app by following these steps that I explained. So again, all the links are in the description of this video. You just follow these steps to have all these cool skins. I really like this one because I'm a Fallout player. Like, I find it really cool for whatever reason. And there's many more cool ones. And thank you. Like, if you find this video useful, comment, subscribe, and do whatever the hell you want. Sorry for swearing. Just do whatever you want, and I will keep making more cool tutorials maybe, because I've never tried this before. That's my first one. So thank you for your attention and have a nice day, and hope it works for you. If not, just comment in the description.